Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another Prize Picks video. And yesterday's free YouTube play could not cash. Claxton couldn't get that over 13.5 points plus assist, but Draymond Green went ahead and hit that over 18.5 PRA, going for 31 PRA. But regardless, we missed out on that free YouTube play. But in the VIP, we went ahead and cashed Austin Reeves to go over 5.5 3-pointers made, as well as Jalen Green to go over the 17.5 field goals attempted. It was Jalen Green's day yesterday, and we went ahead and cashed in on that one. So let's go ahead, let's go on over and let's make a 4-man 10x play for today's free YouTube play. I feel real good about this, and we have some pretty fun, exciting matchups in today's games. So let's go ahead, let's take advantage of those matchups. So if y'all don't have the Sleeper app, do me a favor, download the Sleeper app using the link in the description down below. It really helps me out a lot. If you do not have the Sleeper app, download it using my link. Deposit a minimum of $10, and I will hook you up with 1 month free of my VIP, man. 1 month free of my VIP. All you have to do is text the phone number in the pinned comment section down below, and that is it, man. Just use my code DSP, all right? And if you want to know where to go ahead and get my VIP plays, all you have to do is go to winnable.com/DSP. The link is also in the description down below, and then it will literally take you to this landing page. Diamond Sports Picks, right? You subscribe to a plan, you get the plays on your phone, and all you have to do is tail the plays, man. So we have the $10 day pass. The deal with the $10 day pass, on the day that you purchase a $10 day pass, if we do not profit that day, I will give you the rest of the week for free, right? Especially today on a Sunday, right? So if we do not cash today, if after you purchase the $10 day pass, I will give you the rest of the week for free. So if you go ahead and get that, man, there you go. You could get a week free, but that's not happening because we're cashing. We're gonna go ahead and cash it today, and let's make it happen. So we're gonna go on over. Let's make the first play for today is Grady Dick under 16.5 PRA. Rookie Grady has been logging significant minutes for the Raptors team currently in the rebuilding phase, right? And then he has struggled to produce efficiently, shooting below 40% from the field. So although his minutes have been going up, he is struggling to shoot, man. He's shooting 40%, below 40% from the field, and just 30% from beyond the arc in March, man. So we're definitely going to go ahead and take his under today because he's going up against Orlando. And the last time he went up against the Magic, which is the most recent game. He only got about 11 PRA. So let's look for him to pull out a similar outing where he only gets about 11 about 11 PRA, right? And then of course so we're gonna go on over. That is the first play from the player prop shop. The next few plays I went ahead and made myself, right? Really my own opinions, my own research. I like to mix and match, even though I use the player prop shop and I love their props. I like to mix and match because sometimes there's plays throughout the day that I really, really like, so I just want to go ahead and use those plays, right? Like for example, we're gonna go ahead and take Kyrie Irving over 4.5 assists. The Mavericks are going up against the Nuggets today, right? And the last time that Dallas played the Nuggets in Denver, he put up 7 assists, man. 7 assists. Luka is still day to day, so he may or may not play. I think he's on the right side of playing though, so I'm assuming he's going to play, right? But whether he plays or not, Kyrie Irving is going to cash this, man. And I think it will even benefit Kyrie Irving for Luka to play, right? Because obviously it's just another guy out there that could pretty confidently make a basket if you pass it to him, right? So let's go ahead and let's lock in the first play. Is Kyrie? Oh, there it is. Boom. Kyrie Irving over 4.5 assists. No search needed, right? And look at that. Last time against OKC, he got 12. Yes, Luka was out, and then against Golden State Warriors, he got 10. So let's look for him to do the exact same. I don't expect 12 assists. That'd be amazing, but definitely I can see him getting anywhere between 5, maybe. It's like 5 to 6 assists, right? So let's look for him to get 5 to 6 assists today to catch this play for us. And then the next play we're gonna go ahead and take is, who is it? It's we're gonna take Grady. So let's take Grady under his PRA. You can see here going up against Orlando. He only hit this PRA once in the last 5 games. Coincidence, funny enough, that was against Denver, right? But he's going up against Orlando today, and look what he did against Orlando on March 15th, which was 2 days ago. He only put up 11 PRA. So let's look for him to do the exact same thing or something similar, right? Just stay under that 17 PRA for us, and we are good to go. And then we're going to go ahead and take another guy on his team, Gary Trent Jr. To go ahead and go over his 17.5 points plus assists there. Gary, look at this, man. He's hit this in 3 of the last 5 games. He got 31 points plus assists against Orlando last time. So again, let's look for him to have a similar outing. Let's look for him to have a huge game. So we're gonna go ahead and take Gary Trent Jr. over 17.5 points plus assists. Grady under 16.5 points, rebounds, and assists. Kyrie over 4.5 assists. And we're gonna go ahead finish off that play with Jalen Duren over his PRA, 28.5 points, rebounds, and assists, going up against Miami today. It's gonna be the first game, one of the first games of the day. And then look at this, man. He's hit this in 4 of the last 5 games. And on March 15th against Miami, he put up 33 points, rebounds, and assists. 33 points, rebounds, and assists. And look, so we go to Miami's depth chart. Man, Miami is struggling with injuries right now. Hero is out. Jimmy Butler is day-to-day. Nikola Jovic is out. Kevin Love is out, man. So they're going to have to put in Thomas Bryant, Caleb Martin to go ahead and even Highsmith to go ahead and log in a lot of minutes. So let's look for Jalen Duren to have himself another big day against the Miami Heat. So we're going to go ahead and lock that in right there. So over 28.5 PRA for Jalen Duren, over 17.5 points plus assists for Gary, and then under for Grady, as well as over or more for Kyrie Irving. We're going to put $20 to win $200 on that one. All right, lock that in. I already locked it in with y'all. All right, everyone, that is the play for today. Make sure you go ahead and lock it in. It's going to be a good Sunday. We got amazing games today. Make sure you get on the VIP, or at the very least, go to theplayerpropshop.com, man. The Player Prop Shop so essentially what they do is they give you an entire week for free, right? All you have to do is add a week subscription to your cart and use code PropShop at checkout, man. Just add a week subscription to your cart and use code PropShop at checkout. You get an entire week for free. And the passes that they have is they got the day pass, they got the month, the week, as well as the year. I'm personally on the year one because obviously if you buy it now, you'll have it for the entire NFL season. All right, everyone, those are the plays for today. Make sure you lock them in, and I'll see y'all when we're a little bit richer.